simple. Imagine more journeys, more memories, without overspending.
When we travel together, we unlock rates you can't get alone. On average, our members save nearly 40% on flights and hotels. That's money back in your pocket for the things you actually want to do, like explore.
Discover the world in one place. Overwater resorts, dream cruises, and the cities on your bucket list. Smile, get inspired, and plan the trip of a lifetime. Join
to the extraordinary. From cliffside pools and sunrise suites to barefoot beaches, ocean journeys, and rooftop nights above the city lights.
Dreaming of more adventures without the big price tag? Join us for a lunch and learn where travel experts share how to see the world for less. Enjoy great food, inspiring stories, and tips that make...
Hi, I'm Jordan. Great to finally meet you.
Likewise. I hear you specialize in custom itineraries?
We do. This is one of our new routes, Patagonia to Mendoza by rail.
That sounds incredible. We're looking for partners.
Road to discovery begins here. From icy falls to lantern-lit streets, experience journeys from every continent. Gather stories, meet fellow travelers, and collect inspiration for your...
An expedition unlike any other. Sail crystal waters, taste the islands, summit ancient peaks, share stories beneath a million stars. This journey is...
Ready to see more of the world for less? The Travel Club shows you how to save on every adventure and even earn while you explore. Seats are limited. Reserve yours.
Imagine the world closer than ever with Kyle's Vacations Travel Club, powered by Travorium. Your bucket list becomes your itinerary. Exclusive trips, unmatched savings, life-changing...